Are you looking for the perfect Android tablet to unleash your creativity in 2025? Whether you're a professional artist or a casual sketcher, we've tested the top models to help you find the ultimate drawing companion. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This is a powerhouse Android tablet, building on the Tab S9 Ultra with subtle but notable upgrades. It swaps in a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus SoC, features a slimmer design, and adds an anti-reflective display coating similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Offering an extra year of OS updates at the same price as its predecessor, it's the smarter pick for 2024. With a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display at 120 Hz and Wi-Fi 7 support, it's ideal for streaming, multitasking, or movie watching on the go. It also includes up to 16 GB of RAM and an 11,200 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. The included S Pen boasts IP68 water resistance, enhanced sensitivity, and magnetic charging, making this tablet a versatile option for productivity and creativity. Though pricey, it's a compelling laptop alternative. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. This is now available at the price of the Tab S8 Plus from many online retailers, making it a top choice for drawing enthusiasts seeking a mid-range tablet. It's a significant upgrade, featuring an IP68 rating, the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB of RAM as standard, and an improved 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Its 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display is a standout, offering a stunning 2800 by 1752 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Unlike larger models like the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra or iPad Pro, it remains highly portable while still delivering excellent performance. The addition of a microSD slot ensures ample storage for your artwork, making it an exceptional option for creatives at an attractive price point. Number 3. Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet and Stylus Pen Bundle. Amazon excels at offering affordable hardware, offsetting costs through in-app sales, subscriptions, and lock screen ads. The Fire Max 11 reflects this strategy, delivering impressive value with its 11-inch 2000 by 1200 resolution display. Powered by a MediaTek MTK 8188J SoC and 4 GB of RAM, it's not a gaming powerhouse but offers some of the best performance among Amazon tablets. The 60 Hz refresh rate may lack the smoothness artists desire, but the bright and vibrant IPS panel compensates for it. The bundle includes a stylus designed for the Fire Max 11, though it's compatible with other USI 2.0 styluses for added versatility. Ads on the lock screen can be removed for an additional cost, providing flexibility for those on a budget seeking a solid, affordable tablet option. Number 4. Boox Note Air 4C. The e-ink tablet market has grown rapidly, with Boox leading the charge. The Boox Note Air 4C, a 2024 update to the popular Note Air 3C, keeps the same price while adding a faster processor, more RAM, a lighter design, Android 13, and an enhanced display with richer colors and improved responsiveness. The Note Air 4C retains its premium metal build, offering sturdiness and elegance. Its large e-ink Carta 1200 display is perfect for reading and sketching. It comes with a protective case and the Pen Plus, which magnetically attaches to the tablet for convenience. Powered by Android 13 with the Play Store pre-installed, users can download their favorite drawing apps. It also includes smart scribe tools, like a new shape tool for refined artwork and a link tool for attaching notes to designs. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If you're seeking Samsung's excellent S Pen features without a hefty price tag, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a solid entry point. It features a 10.9-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, offering decent responsiveness for stylus use. Released with Android 13, it has since been updated to Android 14, ensuring a modern software experience. You can choose between a Wi-Fi 6 only model or a 5G version compatible with most carriers. Powered by the Exynos 1380 SoC, it handles everyday tasks like browsing, reading, or drawing with ease, though it's less suited for demanding 3D games. The tablet's TFT LCD panel, while functional, has limited viewing angles and color accuracy compared to AMOLED screens. For media consumption, the main Galaxy Tab S9 lineup is a better choice. Still, the Tab S9 FE delivers great value with an included S Pen. So, which is the best? While all these tablets shine, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stands out with its stunning display, powerful performance, and the S Pen for an unmatched drawing experience. Ready to elevate your art? Grab yours now!